Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will reveal my recently purchased Chanel bag and I'm so excited about it. If you like my content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and let me know if you have any questions. I seriously have not planned this purchase at all, but I just couldn't say no when I saw how beautiful this bag is in the real life. It's so gorgeous and it's really well made. To be honest, when I saw it for the first time, I actually thought it's gonna be a lot more delicate. I thought that the pearls of this bag might actually come off, but I'll show it to you. It's really good. Actually, every time Chanel launches a new collection, I say to myself that it's gonna be my last one, my last purchase, and I'll finally feel satisfied with all the bags that I have. But no, every time Chanel just surprises me. By the way guys, I will provide a review of this bag, I will share some tips, and I will show you what can fit in. I got it at the private preview event that I have recently attended. By the way, if you haven't watched my previous video, I will link it down below in the description box so you can check it out. I saw so many beautiful bags, they were so gorgeous, but I just couldn't take my eyes on this one. I think it's so easy to integrate this bag in my wardrobe. It goes well with white, with beige, with everything, and I have quite a few dresses and sweaters that have pearls on it. Look at the bag. It's really nice. I just wish that there was a pocket because I love to use Chanel pockets. I would always stick my cards, my pass or anything in there, my name card or whatever. It's just so convenient, but it's okay. It seems that the pearls are attached to a fabric, so the leather only appears on the inside and on the area where Chanel CC logo is placed. I tend to fit quite a lot in such bags. I'm not sure about the size. It looks like mini. I will compare it with the small and with non-classic mini just for the reference so you can have a look. It's gorgeous. This is my only rectangular mini that I have. Let's compare the sizes. They look pretty much the same, except the pink bag is just a bit more structured. But the thing is, the pink bag cannot fit as many items because the bottom is not straight. So I also took my small classic flap and I'll just compare it against. You can see the size. Well, it's obviously smaller than the small bag by a few centimeters, but not so much. It's actually quite okay. The only thing is the strap of this bag is significantly longer than the small strap, and I'm not sure I like it, but I will show you how to fix this issue. Actually, the size is pretty good for wearing crossbody, but I'm not someone who wears bags crossbody unless they are small size or medium. I quite like that length. By the way, you can see how it looks from the side. The classic flap small size looks a lot thicker and of course it's sturdier. It's a classic flap after all. I really love it. And this is how the bag looks on me. This is from the other video that I posted last week. You can see it looks quite long. I'm going to try to fit my essentials, my SLG, my hand sanitizer, and my powder, and my hand cream, and of course my glasses, my sunnies. So here we go. By the way, the authenticity number appears from this side. I won't show it up close. I'm not supposed to share it on YouTube. The glasses go first, followed by my SLG. By the way, I posted the unboxing video and review of this SLG. I will link it down below. Followed by hand sanitizer. And followed by my powder. and my hand cream. I could probably fit in some lipsticks. Actually, my lipstick is upstairs, but you can clearly see there is plenty of space for 2 or 3 more lipsticks. Actually, I can fit in my phone here, but I'm recording this video with my phone, and my husband has already left for work. He goes earlier than me, so I cannot show you, but I can definitely fit it in, or I can just remove a couple of items, maybe my powder. So yeah, you can see I can close this bag. There's still space inside. Actually, before I saw this bag, I was very hesitant because I thought, what if the pearls might come out? But it's not so easy for them to fall out. They are actually attached from the inside to this satin fabric. And you know, before I bought it, I actually thought, what if it's like Chanel brooches? Because sometimes, you know, pearls can come off, but you can't really compare this bag to the brooches because they are differently made. They're essentially 2 different things. They are 2 different products. Of course, the bag has the authenticity card. So yeah, let me show you how I shorten the strap. I really don't like the original length. It doesn't work for me. So I would put the strap inside, just like that. It's great that it's a single flap and there is some space, so the pearls won't get scuffed by the strap itself. It's perfect. And there is a second way I like to wear this bag. I like to wear it on my shoulder. So I would just make the strap a bit shorter. I'll just pull it a little bit and it would just sit really great. Initially, I was thinking about shortening the strap, going to Chanel or somewhere else. But you know what? The original length is fine and it can be fixed. Otherwise, it will be quite hard to wear it on the shoulder. This is it. Thank you so much for watching, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Bye!